This video introduces the ServiceNow Express service catalog. It's intended to give system administrators a high-level understanding of how the service catalog works, both on the surface for users and behind the scenes for the system administrator. Later videos in this series provide more details on the topics you'll see here. Your service catalog is a catalog of products and services that your organization offers to employees, customers, suppliers, and others. The service catalog can contain almost anything: products like computer equipment, software, furniture, or office supplies, and services like work requests, password reset, or support to resolve incidents. In this video, we'll focus on products and services that an IT department might provide. The products and services in the catalog are organized into categories. The base system includes several useful categories, and you can define your own. To order an item in the service catalog, users navigate through the categories to find the specific items they want. Here, we're logged on as an end user. Just so you know, the self-service homepage for end users may be configured to look about the same as the service catalog. The self-service homepage is the first thing they see when they log in. To see how categories work, here's how the user might find a laptop computer: Get Stuff, Hardware, Sales Laptop, and here's the catalog page for the laptop. It's much like a page on a typical e-commerce site, with a picture, a description, options or accessories, and fields for ordering the item. Now let's see what the catalog page looks like for the system administrator. To see our list of catalog items, we navigate to Service Catalog, Catalog Definitions, Catalog Items. To find our sales laptop, we enter Sales in the search field, and here it is. This is the form that defines the catalog page users see. Here's where you define the elements of the page, like the picture, the description, the price, and optional features or accessories. You can also define characteristics that determine how the item is processed, like user roles if the item is to be available only to users with certain roles, and an execution plan, which specifies the people and tasks to fulfill the request. We'll take a closer look at execution plans later. The service catalog also contains items that let users request services, like creating an incident to report an IT issue or changing a password. In general, these items are simplified versions of the full forms that are used to create such requests. Let's take a look at an example: creating a new incident. Here's the full form that IT personnel use to create an incident. Now we're logged on as an end user again. The incident request is in the Get Help category, the logical place for the user to look. We click Create Incident, and here's the simplified form for the user. Lots easier to fill out than the full form. You can see how forms like these help users report issues and request services quickly, on their own, without contacting IT. These forms are called record producers because they add a record to a system table, like the incidents table. The service catalog in the base system includes several record producers. To see the list, we'll go back to our system administrator account and navigate to Service Catalog, Catalog Definitions, Record Producers. Here's the one we just saw for creating an incident. This form defines the page that users see, including the descriptions and the variables for user input. The form also specifies an execution plan for the request. As we've seen, you specify an execution plan for both product and service requests. An execution plan consists of a set of tasks. Each task specifies the activities and people who perform the task. You can see the list of execution plans at Service Catalog, Catalog Policies, Execution Plans. The base system includes a default execution plan as an example. You'll want to specify a plan for each service catalog item. You can often use the same plan for similar items. Let's look at that default execution plan. Here are the tasks for this plan. In each task, you specify the fulfillment group that will perform the task, how long the task should take, and the instructions for the task. For more information, please consult our product documentation, videos, or blogs, or ask a question in the ServiceNow Express forums.